Hi class, today is book 4, lesson 29, and I am here to tell you that I'm not going to teach an official lesson. Lesson 29 is all about practicing multiplication facts of zeros, ones, twos, and fives. And in yesterday's lesson, I covered the zeros and the ones. Anything times 0 is 0, and anything times 1 is itself. And I know for my students, the 2s and the 5s, they've already got them down. If you have found me via YouTube land and I'm not your regular classroom teacher, just talk about how 2s double the number. So 7 times 2 is really the same as 7 plus 7. 10 times 2 is the same as 10 plus 10. And for 5s, you're just counting by 5s, which people usually come to 4th grade pretty proficient at. So you do have some homework. Lesson 29 has a written practice, which begins on page 176. And instead of spending 15 to 20 minutes looking at me, I would like for you to spend 15 to 20 minutes practicing your multiplication facts. So if you are my student at my school, you have a MobiMax account. And if you forget the login information, feel free to text me. I'll let you know what it is. If you are not my student and you're a parent watching this, you can sign your child up for MobiMax for free. They have a great little fact practice section. Now, I will warn you, know your child. MobiMax fact practice, in my experience, works for probably 90% of the kids. But every once in a while, I do have a child that'll really stress out over the fact that it's timed. They give you about 6 seconds to answer a multiplication problem. Well, actually, they start with addition, subtraction, multiplication, and then go on to division. But my own child, that kind of stressed out a little bit, and so we ended up not using MobiMax and practicing with just pencil and paper or flashcards with her and I. And I've had a couple of other students where the timing of it stresses them out a little bit. So I would say let's not make math stressful. Practice in a way where it's the most helpful to your child. But I do highly recommend MobiMax for the majority of children who are like, yes, let's be timed. And they love the challenge of it and the competition kind of it. So that is all I have for today. I hope you have a wonderful day. Practice those math facts, and we'll see you again tomorrow.